Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm just checking out this pendant light that I received for reviews, and I think that it's a really warm one because it has a really interesting design that I think that is going to be perfect to place it wherever you need it. We got the instruction manual with all the hardware that we're going to need to do the wiring and the installation, which I think that it's nice. As you can see, it comes really well protected, and it's an adjustable size lamp, so you can adjust it to whatever ceiling height that you have, which I think that it's really nice. It is the main unit one. As you can see, it's LED, which I think that it's nice. It has this interesting design, okay. And we have the ceiling base. Adjusting the highness, it's really simple. You just have to push on this little knob right here and you can pass through the cable, which I think that it's nice, and it seems like a really simple installation that shouldn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. But let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it looks. Okay, let's go. You can bring a touch of modern elegance to your home with this really beautiful pendant light. It's thoughtfully designed with a unique dual-shade construction. It blends style and performance into a lighting fixture that feels intentional, artistic, and refined. Unlike any other pendant lights, this fixture creates a dual lighting effect. The upper shade diffuses a soft ambient glow to brighten the atmosphere, while the lower convex lens projects a focus beam downward. The result is a beautifully balanced up and down light pattern that's both functional and artistic. At its core, it's a 12-watt integrated LED that delivers long-lasting, energy-efficient illumination with no need to replace the bulbs. Pair it with a compatible dimmer switch and you can smoothly adjust brightness from 100% down to 10%, tailoring the light to every mood and occasion. The craftsmanship speaks for itself. With clean lines, solid materials, and a sleek black and gold finish, this pendant light adds a sophisticated touch to kitchens, dining rooms, bedrooms, or even bar spaces. And as you can see, the installation is straightforward. It can be in an adjustable height and it comes with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware, as I've said, making this setup quick and easy so you can enjoy your new light without any kind of delay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks amazing. As I've said, it can be placed wherever you need it and it can look perfect to accent any kind of art or modern piece that you want to look. As I've said, it looks amazing. It has a really modern, beautiful design that I think that it's going to be perfect to place it wherever you need it. And overall, I think that it's really nice. I like it a lot. I think that it's great and I will really recommend it. See you guys!